I'm Tọlá Okogwu, author of Onyeka and the Secret Superhero for World Book Day. Now, I've written a few other books. My first series was the Daddy Do My Hair series, and this is the most recent book, Deji's Haircut. I've also written another chapter book series called Aziza's Secret Fairy Doll, and this is the first book, and there are 4 other books in this series. My most recent series, however, is the Onyeka series, and it features these 2 books. The first one, Onyeka and the Academy of the Sun, and the second, Onyeka and the Rise of the Rebels. Now, this series is about a young girl called Onyeka who has a lot of hair, the kind of hair that makes her stand out, which she doesn't particularly like. And one day she is trying to save her best friend from drowning at the swimming pool when her hair comes alive and she discovers she has superpowers and she can control her hair with her mind. Now, this now means that she has to go back to Nigeria and a special school called the Academy of the Sun, where there are other children with superpowers just like her. They're called Solari. And while she's at the academy, she makes some friends, she makes some enemies, and she discovers a threat to all Solari. It's an action-packed book that's all about identity and finding yourself and accepting who you are.